Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making my addictive, smoky black bean dip. I've been making this dip for company for over 20 years. It is super easy to make, and I can't wait to show you how to do it. The key to this dip's rich, smoky flavor is chilies and adobo sauce. If you're new to chilies and adobo sauce, don't worry. They just come in a little can, and you can find them usually in the same aisle as other canned vegetables, or you can find them in the same aisle as jarred salsas. All right, y'all, let's make some dip. I'm going to show you how to make this in the food processor. This is my preferred method because it's the quickest and easiest way to do it, but if you don't have a food processor, you can definitely mash everything up by hand. Just make sure when you're chopping up that cilantro that you chop it up a little bit finer, since you won't be putting it in the food processor, which will break it down. Start with a 15-ounce can of drained black beans. Then grab that can of chilies and adobo sauce and add 1 chili and 2 tablespoons of the liquid. This is an opportunity for you to adjust the heat. If you want a spicier dip, you can throw an extra chili in there. If you want it less spicy, maybe throw in just half a chili. You can also blend it up with no chilies and then add maybe half a chili at a time until you hit the heat level that you want. You definitely need that 2 tablespoons of liquid though, because it's going to help keep things moving in the food processor and give you that smoky flavor. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the food processor, along with a 1/4 cup of packed chopped cilantro, and then 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and a little bit of salt. If you're trying to watch your salt, you can puree everything up without it and then salt it to taste afterwards. You may even find that it doesn't need any added salt because the chilies and adobo sauce have such a strong, wonderful flavor. Now run your food processor on high until you have a nice, smooth, creamy mixture. As you can see, I left things a little bit chunky. I really like that bit of texture in a bean dip, but if you want things smoother and creamier, just keep on running that food processor and you'll get there. You can serve this up with tortilla chips like I did in the video. It also makes a great filling for tacos or for burritos. I also use it as the filling in my air fryer taquitos, and it works great that way too. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make this smoky black bean dip. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!